Here are 3 custom AI automations that Medspas use most. The first one solves the problem of missed calls and lost leads. On average, 35% of inquiries never get responded to, and those leads usually either book with competitors or just simply never call back. However, the solution to this problem is the adaptive lead capture AI. It answers every phone call, web form, and email inquiry within 60 seconds 24/7. It handles full conversations, answers all of the patient's questions just like you would, provides pricing info, and checks your availability directly in your calendar. Then it qualifies leads by asking them key questions and scores their interest level so you'd know how interested they were and whether they are a right fit for you. Then it books their appointments directly into your calendar and sends you a notification about it. Or it schedules follow-up calls for warm leads who seem like they might convert at a later date. And then it logs all interactions, notes, and lead data into your CRM automatically so that your practitioner could show up to the meeting prepared. The adaptive lead capture AI captures 100% of all inquiries versus the 65% national average. And with 560 inquiries at a $500 average appointment value, this can add $74,000 additional revenue per month to your Medspa or clinic. The next highest ROI automation solves the problem of no-shows and cancellations. On average, 25% of appointments don't show up, and this causes empty provider schedules and wasted revenue, which none of us want. And the AI that solves this issue is the no-show prevention AI. It sends multi-touch personalized reminders via text, email, and calls at strategic intervals to your patients. This is to ensure that they actually show up to their appointment. Alternatively, it automatically fills cancelled slots by contacting waitlist members instantly, and it flags no-show patients as high risk and sends them extra reminders next time they try to book an appointment. This AI reduces no-show rates on average by 40%, so with an average appointment value of $500 and 130 bookings a month, this AI recovers $137,000 a year for your Medspa. And the third highest ROI AI automation solves the problem of dormant lead databases. On average, Medspas have got over 2,000 inactive leads just sitting in their database. These are either past clients who just never came back or simply didn't convert and nobody followed up with them. However, the solution to these wasted leads is the database reactivation AI. The AI calls each dormant lead with a personalized offer. It handles objections, answers questions just like you would, and re-engages cold prospects to try to convert them. It scores each conversation based on interest levels, either hot, warm, or cold, so you could transparently see how interested they were and what they were saying. It schedules automatic follow-up calls for the maybe later responses, and it books converted leads directly into your calendar and sends you a notification about it, and sends all of the patient data into your CRM, so again, your practitioner could show up to the meeting prepared. At a 3% conversion rate, the database reactivation AI will book you 60 additional meetings without you having to do any extra work, and with a $500 average appointment value, one database reactivation campaign can add over $30,000 of revenue to your Medspa. And if you run this quarterly, which we usually do with our clients, then this can add over $120,000 a year of additional revenue to your Medspa or clinic. And if you want to know which AI automation would give your Medspa or clinic the highest ROI, click the link in my bio and apply for a free demo, and we'll create a custom workflow for you and show you how much you could make from it.